Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your birthday on Snapchat. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on your profile right here at the top left. All right, this area right here, tap on it. Now, in here, in this section, you won't be able to see your birth date right here. All right, when we scroll down. So what we're gonna do is just basically tap on the gear icon right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, you'll be able to see birthday right here, which is tappable or clickable. All right, just tap on it. Now to change your birthday, just go ahead and tap on the date right here. As you can see, you can just go ahead and slide through these months right here. For example, I am born in September. All right, September 1. I'm sorry, September 1997 right here. Now to make the changes, just go ahead and tap on continue right here, tap on it. And to confirm, my date of birth is September 1, 1997, and I am 27 years old. Just hit on OK to confirm. All right, and as you can see here, your birth date has now been changed. All right, now as you can see here, when we go back to our profile, as you can see, our zodiac sign has been changed as well. Lately, it was Aries, all right? Now it is on Virgo. And that's basically how you change your birthday on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.